Have you ever felt like your life is stuck on pause, that you work day after day but nothing really changes? Meanwhile, others are buying cars, traveling the world, and taking care of their loved ones. So why aren't you one of them? Hey there, my name is Agatha, and I've been trading for the last 7 years of my life. Back in my students' days, I couldn't afford even a small room near my university. Every single day, I had to spend 3 hours commuting from the other side of the city, and it felt like hell. I thought the whole world was against me. But fast forward 7 years, and I've built a system that works for me, allowing me to consistently get these kinds of results year after year. Today, I'm gonna share my main strategy with you. It's perfect for total beginners, even if you never opened a single trade. Watch every step carefully because this system has already made a difference in the lives of 12,000 of my subscribers. The only question is, do you want to be next? Watch this video until the very end to find out how my subscribers simply copy my moves and get results. Are you ready to turn things around in your life? Then let's dive in right now. You might be thinking, how can I succeed if I know nothing about trading? Here is how. In my traders community, you don't need to know a thing. I do all the hard work for you. Every day, I hold 2 trading sessions where I post clear step-by-step actions for my subscribers. Here is how it works. I tell you which currency to pick. I tell you exactly which buttons to press and when. You copy my steps and within minutes you can see results. It's no more complicated than ordering a pizza. It's so straightforward that anyone can do it, even with zero experience. My community already has over 12,000 people trading with me every day. They copy my actions and solve their financial issues. Some buy cars, some pay for educations, and others travel the world. Do you see? You are 1 click away from joining them and starting now. All you have to do is click the link below this video and join my community. And yes, it's free for now, but spots are limited. Hurry before we close the doors. Good luck! Alright, we're starting today with 7. Now let's pick our team. Next, the indicators. I'll choose the one that works perfectly for beginners. First, MACD. It helps me determine trend strength and direction. Adjusting the colors, line thickness. Okay, done. Now the RSI indicator. This will help me identify potential trend reversals. By the way, it's not hard to read, making it perfect for those just starting out. Alright, same setup process. And now guys, I'm ready to show you how I do it. Everything is set up and ready to go. Let's get to work. Let's check our first pair, a Canadian and a Swiss. Right now the price is dropping. We've got a downtrend. The RSI in the oversold zone, meaning the price has fallen too low, and there are too many sellers in the market. I also notice the candles are getting smaller, which signals that sellers are losing power. My prediction is that I expect a short-term upward correction, because the market can't keep falling forever. When RSI enters the oversold zone, a reversal, or at least a temporary price bounce, often follows. So I'm waiting for a small price increase. Let's take action! Great start! Even when the trend is down, the market always makes corrections. The key is knowing exactly when to enter a trade. Let's move on. Let's see what we have here. The price is moving down. We're in a downtrend, meaning sellers are in control. I see a local support level, a price point where the market previously stopped or reversed. But now, the price is back at the level and is hovering around it, moving sideways without sharp jumps. This means the price is preparing to break through the level downward, and a continued downtrend is likely. Indicators also confirm this downward move, so I'm going down. Spot on! My prediction was correct. Let's keep going. What do we have here with this pair? Alright, the price is rising, we are in an uptrend, meaning buyers are in control. An important resistance level was broken. This level previously held the price back, but now it's been breached. After breaking through, the price returned to this level. This is called a retest. This is normal market behavior. After breaking through a new level, the price often tests it for stability. After the retest, the price starts moving up again, which means that the level has now turned into support. So I'm entering up because the trend is strong, the level was broken, and the retest confirmed that the upward movement will continue. It's that simple. Breakout, retest, confirmation, and continued movement upward. This is a classic trend continuation setup, and all we have to do is spot the right moment and enter at the right time. Let's keep going. All right, let's see what's happening here. I can see that the price was rising, but now I see clear signs of a correction, meaning a temporary pullback down. A large red candle just appeared, engulfing multiply previous green candles. This is called an engulfing pattern, which often signals a trend reversal or at least a short-term drop. Additionally, the RSI has hit the upper boundary and is starting to move down. This means that buyers are losing strength and sellers are stepping in, so I'm going down. That's it. I don't randomly guess trades. The market itself tells where it wants to move. I just analyze and act at the right moment. I know what you are thinking. I don't have time to sit and stare at charts all day. Good news, you don't have to. In my traders community, I post clear, simple instructions which trades to open, when to enter, and when to exit. Plus, in my community, you will get access to my tested and most effective strategies that bring results for our members. Step-by-step instructions on how to trade on financial markets, how to use the platform, and how to make trading decisions. I personally support every member, so you can ask me anything. I'm always there to help or walk you through the platform. And here are some happy testimonials from members of my community who are already getting the most out of it to reach their life goals. The greatest part? Right now you can join for free. Since I personally help each newcomer, I can only accept a few people each day. Hurry and grab your spot now. Just click the link in the description under this video and start trading today. I'm waiting for you. Alright, let's go back to our first pair for another look. Previously, the price was dropping. The trend was down, meaning sellers were stronger. Then the market paused and started moving sideways. This is called a sideways movement or a flat. This happens when the price can't decide which direction to move next. Now the price has broken out downward, which signals that the trend is continuing and sellers are back in control. My decision? Going down. Great! Everything is exactly as expected. No surprising. I've used this strategy over 100 times and I've done it with my subscribers too. So let's keep following my strategy and move forward. Alright, I see the same pattern repeating here. Indicators are starting to turn downward. So I'm entering down, but not for a breakout. Instead, I'm entering from the upper boundary of the sideways range. Let's watch how this works out. And it worked perfectly. Remember, if it works for me, it works for my subscribers too. We follow the same strategy and the same trades. Okay, let's keep going. The price on the chart is making new heights, which suggests the market is pushing upward. But wait, the indicators tell a different thing. Their highs are not increasing, they are either staying at the same level or even moving lower. This is called divergence, when the chart and indicators disagree. It's often strong signals of an upcoming reversal. Additional confirmation: a strong bounce downward and MACD line reversal, indicating that buyers are losing strength and sellers are ready to take control. So let's move down, friends. Perfect! Divergence is one of the most reliable tools for spotting reversals. The chart might slow price increasing, but if indicators say no, so think twice. Okay, let's see what's next. Look, the price has been falling for a while, but now we are seeing signs of a reversal. MACD lines have turned upwards. This indicates that the downtrend is weakening and a new upward push is starting. RSI bounced off the lower boundary, which means the market has exited the oversold zone, and buyers are stepping in. So I'm entering and going up. Everything points to a price increase. And just like that, another great result. Here is something important to remember. A trend reversal never happens instantly, but when indicators and price movements start showing clear signs of change, you need to act at the right moment. Alright, what do we have here? The price is no longer moving clearly up or down. Sideways movement has started. It's a battle between buyers, bulls, and sellers, bears. Neither side has full control yet. In these situations, the perfect strategy is to trade from the side boundaries. First, if the price reached the upper boundary, it's a good spot to enter and go down. Second, if the price drops to the lower boundary, it's a good spot to enter and go up. Right now, the price just hit the upper boundary and bounced down. That's perfect entry to go down, so I'm going down. Another great result. Let's log this in and keep going. Alright, let's check what we have here. The price is making new highs again. It looks like the trend is continuing upward, but indicators disagree. The highs on the indicators are not increasing. Instead, they are staying the same or even decreasing. This is the third time in a row we've seen divergence. I'll go down. This setup suggests a possible trend shift. Buyers can't push the price higher anymore, and sellers are starting to take control. Look at that! What an amazing result! But let's be honest, this level of precision takes experience. I'm not bragging, it's just that I've spent years mastering this. And since trading involves risks, a beginner absolutely needs a mentor to help avoid mistakes. So friends, you've just seen me open trades and why my method works even for those who only learned the word trading yesterday. I showed you how, in a short session, you can hit such an impressive target. And that's just a small part of what's possible for you. In my traders community, you will find ready-to-use trading ideas with clear instructions, so all you have to do is copy them in your own trading. And proven strategies that I developed over the years with members of my community. Personal support if anything is unclear, I'll personally help you figure it out. And real people. This huge community started from zero at same point, but now they're making real progress. Check out what they say about my traders community. And the greatest part, you can join for free right now by clicking the link in the description. This video might get lost, so head into my traders community now. Every day you wait is a lost opportunity and time you can't get back. Join and I'll see you inside.